Hello everyone, my name is Afzal. I am basically from Andhra Pradesh. Coming to my education background, I have completed my B.Tech in Engineering College in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I was passed out in the year 2022. I have joined Qspiders in the month of August last year. Now I got place in a company called Root Mobiles with the package of 3 LPA. Coming to my teaching in institute, manual testing and SQL was taken by Umashankar sir, Selenium was taken by Shivali ma'am, Java was taken by Manjuna sir. Faculties and HRs are good. They supported me in getting place in a company. I thanks to faculties and HRs of Qspiders. I refer friends, if you are looking any IT job, please refer to Qspiders Hebbal. Guys, I can suggest to attend grooming and presentation, which helps me to get place in a company. Doing presentation will improve your communication skills, and attending grooming before interview, you can clear the interview. So I suggest you to attend grooming and presentation. I thank to all the faculties and HRs of Qspiders Hebbal.